We're looking at an image tracked demo here, so we're going to have a 3D model locked onto that image on the page. And what this allows us to do is to rotate the page and the model stays locked to it, so we can rotate the 3D model. Now this is a sagittal section of a pig's head that was scanned in a lab that students were doing very quickly with an iPhone from about 20 or 30 photos. You can see the level of detail in it is pretty good. It would be even better if I had this in the studio and we could use a DSLR with it. But we can annotate these just like we did with the annotated skeleton. It can be audio, video, text-based annotations, whatever it is you want to pop up there. So codes that trigger these sort of models could be included in the lab manual that students are using in class. We could have several different stage lab dissections. So for example, in this lab, they're cutting out the brain, they're looking at the eye. We could do a stage dissection with annotations, which gives them hints and tips and guides on what they're looking at. And this would also make the lab manual perhaps more useful for distant students and give them an idea of what's going on in the actual live lab class.